Welcome to the Leather Repair Company's training course video. This is our theory training room. Here we have everything on hand to talk about leather ID. We will discuss a bit about leather with our leather slideshow and business media centre. We have an enormous array of leather skins for you to identify whilst on our course at the Leather Repair Company. All students have their own facilities and are fully set up here at the Leather Repair Company. All part of your training course is getting to understand the surfaces and the coatings and how you can resolve them. We can teach you anything and everything you need to know about leather, even customizing shoes with amazing marbling effects. We have an amazing array of aftercare kits to keep your clients happy after restoration of products. This is our sneaker range. All our ranges of kits can be purchased as an add-on sale or part of your training with LRC. We can discuss everything about our products and give you full product knowledge so you understand everything within our range. All of our kits can be purchased and sold as add-on sales to earn extra income for your new business. This is where the practical stuff takes place. All in your own dedicated workstations with your own dedicated spray booth facilities. You have your own dedicated spray gun facilities. With the practical room, you have everything at your fingertips, including all the chemicals, tools and equipment you could dream of. All here within the practical room at the Leather Repair Company. We have a facility here to take on 6 trainees at a time, but we always keep our classes to a maximum of 3 or 4 at all times to ensure quality is delivered by the trainers that train the technicians. Learn new skills and become approved a fully qualified leather repair technician. Perhaps you wish to start your own franchise opportunity. Be your own boss. Learn all about leather with Leather Repair Company.